Hello, life teachers. We have so missed having you out here at the Outdoor Learning Center. And teachers, we want you to know that you have been in our thoughts and our prayers this year because we know this has been an extra hard year on you. And we really appreciate you. And we made this not as a way to give you more work, but just as something that the kids could really enjoy as they remember coming out to the Outdoor Learning Center. We have put together an OLC-at-Home kit for each of your students with things that will remind them of being at the OLC. So we've put one for each of your students and one for each teacher of record in your boxes. So we hope you enjoy. This is going to let you know what's in there and what it's all about. Before we get to the actual kit, I just wanted you to know that on the website there are brain breaks, which are mostly stretches, and there are fun fact videos, and there are wild animal break videos that you can use with your kids anytime you want. They're available on the website, and you can use this QR code to go directly there. Every OLC-at-Home kit comes with this cover sheet. So it has a picture of everything that's in the bag and what each of the things is for, with a QR code to a video that explains it in more detail. That's especially for the parents, and I'm going to show it to you right now. Hello. We really wish that we could have you out here at the Outdoor Learning Center, but since you can't be here, we decided we would send some things to you that would remind you of us. This bottle focuses on the colors that we see here at the OLC. We see so many yellows and oranges and reds and pinks and purples and blues and greens. And we wanted to make sure that you could be reminded of the colors that you would see here at the Outdoor Learning Center. This part of the OLC-at-Home bag is a texture board because we wanted to focus on touch. We've included different textures that remind us of things at the OLC. The first section is a piece of fur that looks like bobcat fur. Now, we don't pet the bobcats here because they're wild animals, but the fur can remind us about those bobcats here at the OLC and how soft they must be. This section is made of glue, and it reminds us of the rocks here at the OLC. As a group, the rocks are lumpy, but each one is very smooth. Now this section is material that's just a little bit rough, and it's just like the elm leaves we have on our elm trees. These leaves are a little bit rough and they kind of feel like a cat's tongue. And then this last section is made of sandpaper to remind us of the hackberry trees we have here at the Outdoor Learning Center. And for this part of your OLC-at-Home bag, we're going to practice listening. There's a lot to listen to at the Outdoor Learning Center. Birds, insects, frogs, and one of our favorite things, leaves. We love to crunch through the leaves. So you heard us crunching through the leaves. Well, this leaf is special and it will crunch too. And this is how you make it work. We have added a rubbing plate, a piece of paper, and a crayon that we have taken the paper off of to use on the rubbing plate. And the way you use it is you have the bumpy side up, and you put the paper on top of it and use the side of the crayon to color over. Got to hold the paper in place and just gently color over it and the shape comes up. You can also do this with coins or anything else that has texture. So enjoy your rubbing plate. We have included a toy called a tangle in the OLC-at-Home kit. because it is the favorite fidget toy at the OLC. Among students, among adults, everybody loves to play with a Tangle. So we wanted to make sure that you guys had one at home. We have really missed having you this year. We hope that you think of us when you use your OLC at Home bag, and we hope to see you soon. Life Skills has two separate pages on the OLC website. One is for virtual life skills and the other is for regular life skills. But I'd kind of like to talk about the regular one right now so I can introduce you to that page. It looks like this, and it includes the travel information sheet, the schedule of activities, meaning what you're going to do while you're here, and then when we actually have a schedule, calendar schedule, it's on there as well. So this is a QR code that'll take you directly there. What I would really like from you is to let me know what kinds of things can I put on that website that would be helpful as far as this field trip goes, or things that have to do with nature that you would like to see for your kids, or whatever. Any ideas would be welcome. And one more thing, if you have the opportunity to take pictures of your kids playing with any of the things from the OLC at Home kits, we would love to see those pictures. We really do miss you guys. If you have any questions, please contact me.